Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. So today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the new Colourpop collaboration with Disney, and they released the Snow White palette. So I'm super excited. They came out with like a lip scrub and makeup palette, a mirror, and some lipsticks. I did not buy the lipsticks, unfortunately, but I have all the rest. So if you want to know more about this palette and the look that I created with it and the struggles that I have with it, then keep on watching. Also, I'm sorry if you guys see like that luggage there every now and then. I'm about to go on a trip, so you're gonna be seeing that in the background because I'm getting ready for everything. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright you guys, I still have everything in the box. I didn't want to take it out because I want to do it with you guys and show you how it comes in the box, everything that comes with it. And I know I'm kind of late in this review. What I ordered was like the bundle, one of the bundles that they had. So I got the Lippy Scrub, their mirror, which I'm super excited to use for this look, and obviously the palette, which we're gonna open right here. Okay, super cute palette. I love this decor, like the box. I usually get rid of the boxes, but I do like this, so I think I'm gonna save this palette just like that. And I love how Colourpop does with like their opening of the boxes is so easily, especially whenever I have long nails. So we'll start by showing you guys the inside of the palette. It looks like this. And then when you open it, let's take this off. Oh my god, this is so cute. I feel like they've gotten better with their makeup palettes, especially for like the Disney editions. Love these colors. This is a very shimmery look, which love it. And this one too, for like inner corner, this is perfect. Your magic mirror, and it says make a wish and unlock the magic. Super cute. I'm actually gonna be traveling very soon, so I'm gonna take this with me to do my makeup. And I love this. I'll have to get rid of it so I can see myself, but that was super cute. Maybe I'll save it and put it on again whenever I need to. And finally, the Lippy Scrub. I love this. It's like the apple, the poison apple. Super cute. And this actually reminds me so much of their Winnie the Pooh edition, where they had the honey pot, but this isn't an apple. Super cute. I actually didn't get a chance to get the Winnie the Pooh edition, so I was super happy to have grabbed this one, and it looks like this. And actually, let's start with that. Let's start by testing this out. This one said it was more like a lip scrub, but I feel like it's more like a lip balm rather than a scrub, because the scrub you feel like the sugary things. So this is definitely a lip balm, which I'm not mad about. I will definitely carry it with me because it's also super cute, so I'll have it in my bag with me to apply lip balm and that kind of stuff. But I don't think I would consider this a lip scrub, but I don't know, we're kind of starting like a little bit weird here. Alrighty, so I want to play with a lot of the shadows, but I think I'm gonna start with the Charmed eyeshadow here, and I will take one of these brushes and do it all over my eyelid. I think I'm gonna incorporate it all the way to like almost the inner corner. For the inner corner, we're probably gonna try this Spellbreaker, and I'm also very curious about this black one, so we'll try to incorporate it in the outer corner. So let's start with the red one, and this is gonna be more like a night look, I guess, because I'm gonna do some black and all that kind of stuff. And I already have foundations, so I'm also gonna be checking out how much fallout this eyeshadow palette has. Wow, and right off the bat, like, this is very intense color. It pigments so freaking much, it's crazy. And I don't see any fallout. I'm so surprised. I'm gonna take a more compact brush to apply that black shadow called Far Away. This one does have a lot more fallout, and I'm like tapping it on this side, and I'll switch to that other brush and blend it out. I'll have to clean this fallout at the end with some concealer. Alright, we need to clean up some of this fallout already, because this black one really is a mess. We'll probably do the inner corner just to change it up a little bit with colors. Okay, so we are gonna try the gold shade for that inner corner, and then again bringing it towards the middle a little bit. And then we're gonna try to do some of the black one on the lower lash line, again being super careful because this one does have a lot of fallout. And we're just gonna do it all the way till the middle. We're gonna take another compact small brush and take the shade Just One Kiss, this blue one, and finish that lower lash line. We need to go back and do some of the eyebrows because I think that way we can have a better look. And this turns out to be a very dramatic look. I try to use like most of the eyeshadows that we have. I still need to blend that in very well. Alright, this looks pretty good to me. We're gonna add some mascara and then we'll see from there if we need to do some falsies or anything like that. I am not gonna do any eyeliner because I feel like the black eyeshadow already did the most. So I started by applying some primer to my lashes so that they look longer. That's why it looks white. And then we are moving on to applying some black mascara, and that's it for this look. I tried to clean it up a little bit. It was too much around the eyebrows and I did not fully like it. But overall, my thoughts on this palette is the colors are very pigmented. Some of them are a little hard to work with, so if you're a beginner, I would not recommend like the super dark eyeshadows because they can be a little bit difficult and they have little to no fallouts except for that black one, because the other ones that I worked with, they were super nice. I really love the gold eyeshadow, which I used for that inner corner. Oh my god, super pretty. So yeah, I'm actually gonna apply some lipstick. This is from Kylie, and that's it for this look. I really love the palette. I think I'm gonna experiment a little bit more. Right now we went for a very dramatic look and kind of like a night look. Because I went for like darker tones, like something more dramatic, more dark. So I definitely want to play more with this palette and try some of the look that it's for like the morning, something more classy, more feminine, I guess. But yeah, I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried it or what you're excited about this collection. I really love Colourpop. I love all the collaborations and I think they do so good with their palettes and the look of the palettes, kind of like the box, like they really pay attention to the details, so I really love that. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe in the button down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.